Hey, hi everybody, it's Gretchen. And last summer, I started a project. I started to build my art studio, and it's done. But I want to take you through that journey. So here we go. Get ready, get set for the beginning of the making of Studio G. All right, here's the site. That far corner is the high corner, and this is the low. We killed the grass, put some stuff out, but access is in through a gate over there behind that tree and along this way. So this is the site, and that's what we've prepped for it so far. And the shed is being built today. Yay, it's gonna be so awesome. They're back here second morning. I have a door on there. Yay! Roof's on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's done. Oh. Hey. Oh, what a cool studio. Yes. That's it. And that is it. But only the first part. There's much more to come. That was last summer, and I got started on it on the interior, and that's to come next. But I hope you enjoyed watching that little clip of us getting the site prepped just a little bit, and then that awesome family team that came in and built the shed. So stick around, look for the next one, because I will link it, and go for those notifications so you can know when I post the next one. But stick around for more of Studio G. There's lots more to come. And until next time, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. But the first place you'll find it is when you go look in the mirror. See you next time.